Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Mojito Mocktail. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready on a clean surface. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 2 tablespoons of simple syrup. Also, have your club soda and plenty of ice cubes nearby. This refreshing drink is perfect for any occasion and comes together quickly. Now, let's get those flavors mingling. Take about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and place them into a sturdy glass. Add 2 wedges of fresh lime and 2 tablespoons of simple syrup. Using a muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients a few times. Be careful not to overmuddle, as this can make the mint bitter. We just want to release those lovely aromas. With your muddled mint and lime ready, it's time to build your mocktail. Fill your glass completely with ice cubes, ensuring it's packed to the top. Next, slowly pour in about 4 to 6 ounces of chilled club soda. This will add the perfect fizz to your drink. Give it a gentle stir to mix everything together, distributing the mint and lime throughout. To finish, add a beautiful garnish. A fresh lime slice on the rim and a small sprig of mint will make your Mojito Mocktail look as good as it tastes. Serve it immediately and enjoy this wonderfully refreshing drink. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you for the comfort and durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.